sweet, bless your heart. Can't let a pretty face distract me from business. And God has my witness, your ugly ass won't either. I'm sorry. 2 a.m. photos with smileys and hearts ain't the way to my juicy parts. Boy, thank me later. Looks good on paper, but love isn't easy, so I'll do the hardest part. Jerome, go on, take your ass home and come back when you're grown. Jerome, go on, take your ass home where the peaches have thorns. I never said I was perfect, or you don't deserve a good person to carry your baggage. I know a few girls that can handle it. I ain't that kind of chick, but I can call them for you if you want. I never said that you